Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Please hit the like, subscribe to the channel. First thing all we want to have is Git Bash installed. Make sure you have that so you can use the Git Bash terminal. Okay, and then the second thing is go to DigitalOcean. Right here in the blog, click here. It says just sign up. You get a free $100 for the first 60 days. So as long as you delete your droplet before the 60 days are up, they won't continue charging you. Just go ahead and create that account. You can use GitHub or Google or your email, and then just log in and come back to the video. Okay, I signed in using GitHub. Alright, let's get started and create our first server. So DigitalOcean's like very similar to AWS without like the heavy price tag. So let's click on create droplets. Let's stick with Ubuntu, keep basic. Here's the 7 a month. Choose a region nearest to you. So my only option is New York, because I'm in Chicago. SSH Keys. So we're going to create SSH Keys, which is a secured shell, which is a connection tunnel from your computer to your virtual cloud server. So it's pretty simple. It gives you two keys. One is a private key and one is a public key. The private key you're going to save in a directory in your computer, and the public key, it's also there, but you're going to copy and paste it into your server that we create. So just click SSH, new SSH key. Alright, there's some prompts here, but remember, since we installed or you have Git and Git Bash, we're going to use the terminal instead of having to use putty and all this stuff. So just copy this keygen code here, copy, and let's get the terminal Git Bash. Let me drag it over here. Oops, actually I wanted that over there. So alright, I got my terminal right here opened up. Let's make this bigger. Alright, so go ahead and copy that into your clipboard, and to paste, we're going to use Shift Insert. I don't know, but for at least for Windows, you got to use Shift and Insert when you want to paste something into the Git Bash terminal. So I'm going to hit enter. Let's use the default location to store our public and private key. I'm overwriting yes because I already have one in there, but I'm just going to overwrite it. If you don't have that, don't worry about it. You shouldn't. As far as passphrase, just enter and then enter. We're not going to use the passphrase. It's recommended, but it's not even with the secure shell. We don't need to worry about it. So public key. So let's grab our public key now, and we're going to paste it into our server right here. So if you scroll down, you can copy this cat. I'm going to grab the public key, copy. Now right in our terminal, let's Shift Insert right there, and we're going to copy from SSH-RSA all the way down to right here. We see just where it ends. Copy all of that, Control C, and we're going to Control V that in here. Give this any name, so John 773 and add SSH. That's the name of our SSH keys. You can give it whatever name you want. But now that that's created, we're done. Scroll down. I'm going to keep things simple for you. So what's the name of your server? Let's call it my server. You can call it anything you like, completely arbitrary. So wait for your server to finish downloading right here. See, it's running the install. Then it's going to give us a number. That's our IP address that we're going to use. Okay, so copy that code there. And I'm going to go ahead and type in clear and enter to give us some space in the terminal. So to log in, we're going to type in root. Well, actually, first SSH root at, and then shift insert that IP address, hit enter. You want to continue? Yes. Okay, clear. We're logged in. As you can see, there's root and then my server. Okay, that's about it for this video. We're going to continue and start setting up our Ubuntu server, customize it, set up Nginx, Node, MySQL. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.